In the past couple years, we have seen more female rappers explode into the mainstream than ever before.
If I told you this channel makes up to $20,000 a month without doing almost any work at all, you'd simply laugh in my face. But this channel makes up to $42,000 a month. They managed to crack the code and beat YouTube because they stumbled upon a simple method that was hiding in plain sight. I'll show you how they did this and how you can replicate it in a 3-step formula with just a smartphone and without showing your face. But this brings me to my first step, not showing your face. This part might confuse you because that's not how YouTube is supposed to work.
Final showdown, Maverick the Parrot versus Kong. Simba!
Ooh, Simba! In the early days, YouTubers would just post a video of them doing silly or entertaining things, but that was just that, the early days. Now the platform has evolved and people are simply evolving faster. Creators have figured out that they can make a video with a voiceover and add a B-roll and still get the same point across without showing their face.
I think YouTube has a really big problem that might be getting worse. That's right, the thing you're on right now, at school or work, on your sofa or your bed, has an enormous issue. Now, you might think I'm being dramatic.
And because you're not showing your face, every part of the video can be outsourced. When the channel picks up and you make money, you're doing almost nothing. Depending on how great the video is edited, it can be even more engaging than videos with creators showing their face, because the constant visuals stimulate the viewers at all times. But that leads me to my next step. You may be asking, can you even edit a decent or high quality video on a phone? Despite having a laptop and DaVinci Resolve on it, I still choose to edit all my videos on this channel on my phone. Here's how. I record a voiceover in BandLab, then I download the audio and upload it to Adobe Podcast.
There's a lot of echo in this room, fan running in the background, and the audio is being recorded into an old broken phone. How do you fix all of this without installing any software?
Yes, that's how much of a difference this AI tool makes. Then I use Pexels and Mixkit to get my stock footage. And finally, I use CapCut to edit all the videos. This is one of the highest quality videos I made on this channel using CapCut.
I would film?
Yeah.
Would you have any interest in that?
Oh yeah, 100%. I want to make a movie. Yeah, 100%. I want to make a movie.
What if the Chris Tyson and Mr. Beast situation is set up like a Hollywood play? And what would happen if we pulled the curtains and the change in views reflected that? Which brings me to my final point, trend jacking.
Trend jacking is when people try to be cool by using something that's popular or trendy. It's like when you see all your friends playing with a certain toy, and then you start playing with it too, even though you might not have been interested in it before.
So I decided to test this theory myself, but I made one big mistake. I failed to make the video about my niche, which is finance. That's important. Whenever you trend jack, you want to make the video related to your niche, so the people who will end up subscribing will be interested in your future content, or else it might hurt your click-through rate. An example of what I could have made the video about would be how Mr. Beast became a millionaire, or how I grew a Mr. Beast Instagram theme page in 30 days. Even though this was on a smaller scale, I still managed to 10x my views in less than 4 days. Well, it's actually around 12x, which means the concept works. And if I were to repeat this on a potentially bigger scale, I could go viral. The reason the video stopped gaining views was because the CTR fell under 5%. In theory, if that didn't happen, my video could have gained a lot more views.